Yeah, it was cold outside, wasn't it? Hurt your little toesies? Yeah, 'cause it was like 4 below zero. Yeah, you didn't like that, did you? You want me to make you some socks? Make you some footies? Alright. We'll start with a couple pairs of socks here. Simple enough. Now, big issue. Put socks on these little feet. It's going to fall down. So we need to make a way for them to stay up on them. We'll start by just simply cutting one side. Bring it right on down. And I just brought it down, right down to where the cuff ends. Do the same to the other side. Now, go ahead, make a little slip up at the top here. Same on the other one. And now we're going to take and combine these together and just bring it through one hole. We'll tuck it back through. Now we got two little footies tethered together. Let's do it again on the next sock. Now, to make things easier, now we got two little footies. Now, the front set won't be that hard because it'll go across the shoulders and should stay up pretty well. The back set, though, well, that's just going to fall right off his butt. So, got myself a little string here. We'll just run it across both of these to make them one unit. I got a little pinchy clasp, so we can adjust it as needed. Go ahead and put that together here. If it cooperates. There we have it. Let's put them on the little guy. You ready to put some socks on? Check them out. Did I do a good job? Okay. This foot. I want this foot. Okay, give me the other foot. This foot. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Come here. Okay, come here. Let's get your back feet. Give me your back foot. Okay. Get this other one. Give me this one. There we go. And then we can adjust this. So now that just looks silly, don't it? Let's put your jacket on. Yeah. Ready to go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Ready, Bean? Come on. Yay! Got socks! Got socks!